The life cycle of a software task describes the journey a task takes from the moment someone comes up with an idea to the time it's completely finished and delivered. Understanding this process is important because it helps software teams stay organized, work efficiently, and create high-quality products. Whether it's fixing a bug, building a new feature, or making an improvement, every task typically follows a similar path through several important stages. It all begins with an idea or request. Someone, maybe a customer, a product manager, or a developer, notices a need and suggests a change or improvement. This could be anything from add a dark mode to fix the app crashing on login. Once the idea is captured, it doesn't immediately get worked on. Instead, it's added to a backlog, a big list where all tasks are stored. This ensures nothing is forgotten and gives the team a clear view of everything that needs to be done. Next comes planning and prioritization. During this phase, the team reviews the backlog and decides which tasks are most important. They ask questions like, is this urgent? Will this bring a lot of value? Or is this dependent on something else? By answering these, they decide what tasks to work on next. This step is crucial because teams often have more ideas than time, so picking the right tasks ensures they are always working on what matters most. When a task is ready to be worked on, it moves into development. A developer, or sometimes a small team, picks up the task and starts building the solution. This could involve writing code, creating designs, setting up databases, or integrating with other systems. Developers often break big tasks into smaller steps to make the work easier and more manageable. They also communicate closely with teammates to make sure they're building the right thing. Once the coding is done, the task moves into code review. Here, another developer, or sometimes a group, reviews the work to make sure it's correct, clean, and follows the team's coding standards. Code review is like a second set of eyes, helping catch mistakes, improve performance, and share knowledge across the team. Good code reviews often prevent future problems that could be costly or time-consuming to fix later. After the code review is complete, the task goes through testing or QA, which stands for quality assurance. This step checks if the new feature works correctly and doesn't accidentally break anything else in the software. Teams might use automated tests, manual tests, or a combination of both. For critical features, testing might also include security checks, performance testing, or compatibility testing across different devices and browsers. If the task passes testing, it is finally marked as done or completed. Sometimes it is immediately released to users, especially in fast-moving teams, and other times it's bundled with other tasks into a bigger release. Even after a task is considered done, the story isn't always over. Sometimes users discover new bugs or suggest further improvements which lead to new tasks being created. This step, called maintenance, keeps the software healthy and evolving over time. In conclusion, the life cycle of a software task is much more than just writing code. It's a carefully organized flow from an initial idea to a tested working solution. Each stage, from capturing ideas to planning, building, reviewing, testing, and maintaining, plays a vital role in making sure the final product is reliable, useful, and high quality. By understanding and following this life cycle, teams can work more effectively and deliver better experiences for users.